Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to speed read an article in Instapaper. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you can just select an article here that you want to read, and after that you can just look in the top of the right corner and press on the three dots there. Now you can just press on speed read and you will be able to speed read the article. As you can see, it's going to show you the words really fast, and like this you will be able to speed read it. Now of course you don't need this option to speed read the article, you can just speed read it yourself without activating this, but if you prefer this version, you can just enable it and you can speed read the article after that. So that's pretty much it really. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.